The Holland FW35 fifth wheel with ELI-te electronic lock indicator.
All right, so on this display stand here, we have an FW35 top plate outfitted with our electric lock indicator system, ELI, technology enhanced. This is our second generation electric lock indicator, and it's designed to read the hard parts inside of the locking mechanism and determine if the proper coupling procedure was completed. So if the proper coupling procedure is completed and the instrumentation is able to confirm that it's properly coupled, a set of indicator lights that are thrown to the kingpin will light up, allowing you to see that the proper coupling has been completed. The ELI-te system is also able to determine if an improper coupling procedure had occurred, and a red status indicator light on the side of the fifth wheel will illuminate, showing the driver that the fifth wheel needs to be addressed.